Hello kids, let's play. Identify the animal and find the missing alphabet. What animal is this? Correct, this is a lion. What animal is this? Correct, this is a wolf. What animal is this? Correct, this is an otter. What animal is this? Correct, this is a panda. What animal is this? Correct, this is a koala. What animal is this? Correct, this is a hippo. What animal is this? Correct, this is a bear. What animal is this? Correct, this is a bird. What animal is this? Correct, this is a fox. What animal is this? Correct, this is a cat. Congratulations, you finished. Thanks.